In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Composer on your Mac. First of all, head on over to getcomposer.org and click on Download. And you need to copy and paste these commands in your terminal. So first of all, I'm going to copy the first command and I'm going to open my terminal. And my terminal now, the current directory is my desktop. So I'm going to just paste the first command and hit enter. And then let's copy the second command and paste it and hit enter. And here it says installer verified. Then the third thing is running the third command. So I'm going to just copy it and paste it in my terminal and hit enter. And as you can see, it's downloading. And here it says Composer successfully installed. And if I go to my desktop, you will find that a file called composer-setup.php has been executed and installed Composer. And finally, the last command, which is this one, let me just copy it. And in my terminal, if I paste it and hit enter, it's going to delete the installation file. So now Composer should be installed on our Mac. And you will also find another file called composer.phar installed on your desktop. So if I head on over to my terminal and type the following command, php composer.phar, as you can see, Composer is working. But the problem is that now Composer is not globally. We want to make Composer globally so that we can access it in any directory. And in order to make it a global, you need to do the following. Get back to getting started and copy the following command, which is this command, move composer.phar to this directory. So I'm going to copy it, and in my desktop directory, I'm going to paste it and hit enter. And here it's going to tell you permission denied, so you need to type sudo and then paste the same command again and then hit enter. Enter your password and hit enter. And as you can see, Composer file has been moved from my desktop to this directory to user local bin. Now if I head on over to my terminal again and type Composer, just Composer, and hit enter, as you can see, it will run. And you can use Composer from any directory in your Mac.